How do you play the game?
Here, I'll show you. If you come here, I'll do it to you.
No.
No?
I
You
can
want to do it to me?
see Mommy's tummy. Can you see Mommy's tummy?
My name is Jugs. My dad's name is Jugs. My mom's name is Todd. And my dog's name is Jugs. Jugs, give me a big smile. Want me to do it? No? Okay. Then a vowel.
Can you write the letter A?
Oh, that's what she's doing. She's playing the table. She goes up, down, across. I made an A.
That's an A?
Yeah.
A is for what?
Apple.
And for
Apples, that's
what
right.
else?
A is for Abigail. A is for Adam.
Yeah.
What is his name?
Apple.
No, that's not his name.
Apple.
Say Adam.
No.
No?
Apple.
Oh, that's not his name.
Apple.
Elmo? I thought Elmo was red. Had red fur.
It's always Elmo. It was always Elmo. A is for alligator.
Ooh, A is for alligator.
A is for Safta.
S is for Safta. S is for Safta.
Can you tell me the numbers here? Do you know the numbers? Show me.
She needs a pen.
Here. I don't know the numbers. Oh my God. Can you write a 4? Show me. Did you write 4?
Yeah.
Can you show me?
Yeah.
Show me. I cannot see. Your big butt is in the way. Meghan, what is this number? What is this number?
8,
And what is this number?
1.
Is it 1 or the 0?
1. And what is this number? This one. What is this number?
2.
No, it's not 2.
6.
What's that?
What's a
You know.
9?
9.
It's a 9.
Ah.
And where is a 5? Where is a 5?
It's
No, that's a 3. Not this one. 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 It's that many. Look at my fingers. Can you count my fingers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right. How many fingers do you have
2.
on one hand?
Don't draw with a pen. No. I'm going to take the pen away.
No.
Abigail, we don't draw in the pen with that. Pen only goes on paper. Abigail, how many fingers am I holding up?
Look at Mommy.
How many fingers am I holding up?
2.
No, you look at my fingers.
No.
How many fingers is that?
2.
No.
Count. Let's count.
You have to touch
Can you
each
count?
finger.